Hello guys, welcome to Smooth Communication GH. In this video, I'll be reviewing a 1 meter Type-C to Lightning USB cable. This cable can be used to charge your iPhone or your iPod. Let's unbox the USB cable. Inside the box, we have the USB cable and the manual. We'll be testing this cable with a HP laptop. Over here you can see the Type-C port. Let's insert the cable. First, we'll be testing the AirPods Pro. When you plug it, the red light appears to show it's charging. Then finally, we'll be testing it with an iPhone 12 Pro Max. You can also use this cable to transfer data from your iPhone to your laptop. Over here, you can see our phone is detected on the laptop. When you unplug it, it goes. When you plug it, it comes back. These and other accessories are available for sale at Smooth Communication GH. Let's check how far this cable can charge with a laptop. So right now our iPhone is on 81%. It takes a bit longer to use a laptop to charge than a fast charging adapter. The laptop took like 2 minutes to rise to 1%. Let's try testing it with a fast charging head. This is a 20-watt adapter. Using the head is more faster than using the laptop. It took about 1 minute to go to 84%. Thanks for watching guys. For more exciting videos like this, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.